Welcome to College Algebra online for the summer of 2017. And in this video, we'll take a look at the course and how it relates to my math lab. We'll start by taking a look at the tabs that are on the left-hand side of the course. And the very first tab is the Course Home tab. The next tab you see is the Syllabus tab. And here you can print out and read the syllabus for the course. Here's some highlights. The prerequisite for the course is Math 102. Here are the learning outcomes for the course, which you can read through those at your leisure. Here are the chapters we'll be covering in the course. Chapters R through chapter 6. There's a grading policy and also a grading scale that's more specific on the addendum. There's also a standard attendance policy. The attendance policy for the online course is that you should log into the course at least 3 times per week. However, if there's no activity within a 3 weeks period of time, you can automatically be withdrawn from the course. There's a students with disabilities policy, a computer use policy, an academic dishonesty policy, an academic integrity pledge. There's also a spot for your signature. There's no need to sign and give me the course back physically. By registering for the course, you acknowledge and adhere to all of the rules and policies. Next, we have the Addendum tab. In the addendum, you can find my information. I'm your instructor, Mr. Cummings. My office is 752. Here are my office hours. Here's my office phone number as well as my email address. The required materials for the course are a TI-83 or TI-84 graphing calculator. Next, we have the grading policy. And within the grading policy, there are 4 categories, which are homework, quizzes, tests, and the final exam. Each category is weighted at 25%. The homework is open all semester long. I encourage you to work ahead of the schedule if possible. Whenever you are encountering trouble, you immediately want to seek help from myself, as your instructor during the appointed office hours or the Academic Success Center. The quizzes are worth 25%. Each chapter has a quiz that's associated with it that's set at 3 attempts. However, only the highest quiz grade will be counted towards your final average, so it won't hurt you to take the quiz more than one time. Next, we have the test, and again, the tests are weighted at 25%. As far as makeup tests are concerned, you can take the test after the due date, but be aware that there is a 10% penalty for all tests taken after the due date. Next, we have the final exam. The final exam is also worth 25% of the grade. The final exam is to be announced. I'll post the final exam information after the summer break. You'll be allowed to use a page of notes front and back, as well as a calculator. There are no final exam exemptions. Lastly, we have the grading scale. We have the standard 10-point grading scale. Next, we have the formula sheet tab, and we have the formulas for the different chapters within our textbook. Next, we have the homework tab, and I'll simply show all of the assignments on one page. Okay, here we have the entire layout for the course. The best way to navigate through the course is to complete all of the homework problems, attempt the quiz, complete the supplemental homework, and then you want to complete the test. You should do that for every chapter. Next, we have the quizzes and test link. And notice in the quizzes and test link that we have the test dates. And again, the final exam is to be announced. And next we have the Gradebook. and the Gradebook shows your current grade. Next, we have the Multimedia Library. And in the Multimedia Library, you can access the textbook, you can access videos, animations, PowerPoints, learning activities, and also video lectures. And this concludes the video. Thanks for watching.